What is up, everyone? Train Freak here, and today we are going to have the 1,000 subscriber contest is opening. I can't believe I finally got here. I haven't hit the 1,000 yet, but I figured we can go ahead and open the contest, and then once I do hit the 1,000, then we can hold the contest. So this time we got a different range of prizes, and the contest is going to work just a tad bit differently, since the value of these prizes are a little bit more than all the contests I've done in the past. Now, with the 900 subscriber contest that we just recently had, I've been giving away rolling stock, and I told you that I was going to keep one out of the three. So this time we're not using rolling stock, we're actually going to give away locomotives. So let me show you which ones we got first. We'll start off with the HO. This is an Atlas Classic. This is an Alco RS3 for the Interstate, there we go, Interstate Railroad number 38. And it is set for long hood forward. So this is the front, this is the back. This is DC only, but I've recently converted my Rock Island RS1 to DCC with sound, so I know you can do the same with this one. I have another Atlas locomotive. This is for you N-scalers. This is a little more modern, but I figured this could really go for anybody's railroad. This is a Electromotive or EMD demonstrator unit number 8300. This is a SD60. So N-scale SD60. It's also DC, but it does say on here decoder ready. So there's no reason why you could not put DCC or sound in it. Alright, so the way this contest works is you're going to fill out the Google form below, but don't go fill it out just yet because you really need to listen to this part. Because I know you're excited to get in on this one for a chance to win a couple of locomotives. So in the form, you got the basic questions. You got your email address, your YouTube channel name. Those who put in their email address will be disqualified because when I go to read the names off for Blackout Bingo, yes, we're still going to do Blackout Bingo, I'm not going to read off your email address due to privacy. So if you put your email address in that slot, you will be disqualified. Third question, do you want the N or HO scale prize? So you can only pick one or the other. I do not have an O scale prize this time. Alright, this is how it's different. There's a second section, and it's got 5 questions about me, about my channel. So if you've been following for a while, or even not a while, just follow recently, these are 5 very simple questions. Real simple questions. You don't even have to go back and look at all my videos to answer these questions. That's how simple it is, alright? So go and answer those 5 questions. They're all multiple choice. Each one's got 4 possible answers, but only one's correct. If you answer 4 out of 5, that's 80%, you are entered into the locomotive drawings, one or the other. However, if you answer all 5 out of 5, I'm throwing in a separate prize that I physically can't hold. And I have started my own company called Train Freak Hobbies. I'm in the process of getting my online hobby shop built up. And to start off with, I'm strictly a vendor with soundtracks. Hopefully soon RR circuits and a few others later on. But with my company, I do decoder installations, sound, through Soundtracks as a factory trained Soundtracks installer. So here is that third prize. If you answer all 5 questions correctly, you're going to be entered in a third pool, and it doesn't matter what scale you are, for 50% off of installation on any locomotive. It doesn't matter. Well, you're not going to be able to win one of these and get that prize. However, if you have a locomotive that's DC, you want sound in it, or even if it's DCC and you want sound in it, The third prize is a gift certificate to Dream Freak Hobbies for 50% off of installation. All right? Not the parts, installation. So I wanted to make sure we clarify that. So, other than that, like I said, all you got to do is answer those 5 questions. If you get 4 right, you're in. If you only get 3 or less, I'm sorry. I felt like Locomotives, being a 1,000 subscriber contest, could have paid just a little bit more attention. So, in all seriousness, you got to get 4 out of the 5 correct, okay? So, other than that, I'm going to leave it with y'all. Y'all be safe out there. I wish y'all a great rest of the week and happy railroading.